Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. Today I am sharing with you another one of Laura's quick tips. This tip came from a recent customer of mine who was asking about the layers for the embossing mats. So of course, if she had the question, I'm sure more of you guys have this question. So I wanted to do this video to share with you the layers of embossing mats. So embossing mats are these fabulous little silicone mats that are perfect for creating an embossing folder out of any of your framelits. So the super awesome thing about this is that now your framelits can do two things for you. They can die cut as well as emboss. So with these mats, the layers that you'll need for your Big Shot are the Big Shot platform. So this is just the platform. It does not have the adapter on it. If you have one of the old style multi-purpose platforms, you'll just want to open it, both of the tabs. You'll want to open both tab 1 and tab 2 to be able to do this. Then you will place down the white embossing mat, and then the blue one, this is that super like flimsy, super soft one. Then you'll place your cardstock down, and then you will place your framelit on top of the cardstock, and then one of the standard plates. So that's just one of the little clear mats. And then you'll run it through the Big Shot. It'll be super easy to run through. It won't be like one of those that's super tight and difficult to run through. It'll crank through very easily. And then you'll get this fabulous floral image that's just embossed onto your cardstock. So here I just embossed it. Of course, if I ran it through regular without the embossing mats, then I would have that floral outline as a die cut image. Of course, you can also do this upside down if you prefer to be able to lay your cardstock that way. So if you did it upside down, you would have your Big Shot platform, your clear plate. You would lay your die down face up, place your cardstock over it, place the blue silicone mat over the top of that, and then the white impressions pad, and you would run it through your Big Shot like that. So you can do it either way, whichever works best for you. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and don't forget to check out my blog laurastamppad.com for lots of other inspiration, and you can also check out the entire playlist that I have of Laura's quick tips by clicking down below. Subscribe to my mailing list by clicking off to the side, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you get a notification every time I post a new video. I do every Tuesday and Thursday, and sometimes in between. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.